from zero.
Mina ngikhula ngithanda music kakhulu, country and western music, because badlala khona ama-guitars kakhulu. So ngilalela umsakazo wakithi iBIS, bekusekunasicoko siyancima lapho, adlala i-country ngabo 2. Mina I'm a dreamer, I'm a believer, and I'm a go-getter. I always saw myself recording abroad because I wanted this good sound. His signature is the most powerful thing in the universe. There's only one Michael Jackson. There's only one Oliver Mtukudzi. There's only one Hugh Masekela, because they found their signature, you know. And once you find a signature, it makes things easy.
Superstar Rockstar Level, bafethu, come back to the biggest YouTube channel. Bafethu, sicela usinani nga-subscribe and pause the video. Pause this video right now. Subscribe, hit the notification button. Comment, most importantly, share this video. We need you guys to take clips and share the globo. Everyone, bafethu, let them know the biggest YouTube channel in the country is Siphakathi Inside. We are in the building. Njengenjayelo bafethu, shout out to Cleary Stores, Pova, satholakale Cleary, shout out to Khwema Mkhukhetho wafika watosilethela Pova, so you can go down to Cleary Store, check them out, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. Bafethu, kamanzini, it's going down for your favorite local brands, bafethu. We'd like to give a special shout out to Iconic Studios, La Imbabane. Shout out to Iconic Studios for us, which has not a space, which is operating a podcast. We're truly grateful for them, bafethu. And yeah, we are doing whatever we can to make sure that we give you guys the best content. And remember to invite us now, establishment here. We are on a national tour, bafethu. Invite Sport will make sure the podcast will come to you. Bafethu, you see, this episode that we're about to get into, requested one of the most requested people, and I must say, when it comes to a guest now, like podcast yet, bafethu, this person has to be one of the most decorated person. Lokona ngosiami live an icon, bafethu. What more can I say? A living legend, my brother. We have to welcome, guys, this one is big. I need you guys to clap hands so that even the audience at home can understand how big and how meaningful this thing is to us. Our big brother, Mr. Polocha, is in the building.
Thank you.
My brother, how are you?
Yeah, Peter, I'm humbled, and I received actually Longchela Gona, what the good things we are saying about me, Polocha, this legend whatsoever. I cannot take that away, but I receive.
No.
Not saying that I'm that, but ngiyakwemukela.
No, ngiko.
If you see me like that, ngiyakwemukela.
He's trying to act all humble, guys. No, no, man, it has something to do with age. Because not so chilled in age. It's just like in your chill era. I was thinking, but excited. Do you think you are at that level?
Not really. I mean, I'm very young inside.
Mm-hmm.
That's why you'll find me hlabela piano at some point. I'm very young.
Mm-hmm.
Very, very young. And I don't allow the old man to take over.
No, we like that. We like that. I know, we like that, my brother. My brother, we can't thank you enough. It's such an honor and a great privilege once again to have you on the podcast. We know you are a busy person. You have a lot of things going on, but request big brother to squeeze it in. We don't take it lightly.
Siphilelanile bafowethu.
Siyabonga.
Yeah, bonga mina siphilelanile.
How have you been? How is life? How's everything?
Life is good, man. Impilo nje siyafunza lokho nalokho. You know, ngicabanga ukuthi impilo ngekwayo ine lesson nje. You know, as you grow up, You learn a lot of things. Uyafunza. Nama so ne-family, you handle things differently. You know, impilo ayifuna emavila. Ayifuna ube ne-low self-esteem, you know. Otherwise you can quit easily because life is challenging. You know, as much as it's good, but it's challenging. Once you now understand, Angelo, the things that you experience that are difficult and they're there to make you even stronger, then you are safe. Nalokuthi now indvodza vele kude ulufosholo ungalibeka eceleni, nothing comes easy. Kuyakhicwa, kuyaspanwa, kuyasetshenzwa. You know, so that's life. You appreciate kanjalo and appreciate small things, big things. Lokufekile.
Yeah. I understand. Out of curiosity, ngifuna ukuthi na ucabanga wena ngizama understand ukuthi ucabanga ukuthi why Maswati request ukubona kangaka la ehlelweni. Yini le ngaka lafuna kuyade?
I don't know. Honestly, akati.
Kuthi nje normally when you get the call ucabanga ukuthi how?
Yeah. No, honestly, angathi ngidawuva ngawe ngoba wena abakutshela mina abangitsheli but nje lengikwadi ukuthi eMaswati angisupportile kakhulu, you know, music wami angisupporte, you know, la khona bengide proper reference nangisuka ka engineering ngita kule industry ka music, you know, ikude le reference lengathi khona lengifuna kufana naye wala Swatini or bala Swatini sibangesheya badlala international. I had no reference at all, but I knew ukuthi I had guys who were professional who maybe they're supposed to be out there, but nje I didn't have enough reference. Maswati, they believed in me, you know, ukuthi I can go international. So it's because of their energy that I keep moving and their support.
You are in our hearts, shorts.
Nami ngisenhlitshweni yami.
Yo, my brother, yo, yo.
Yeah.
I have so many questions, but let's take it from the beginning because the name of the podcast. The name of the podcast is What's the Story. So when I came up with it, I always tell people it's based on curiosity. I'm a person that's always curious. I want to know. I want to learn. When I understand what was happening at that time, and the platform for Maswati themselves. That's why I don't like podcast. Like when they naga. I'm like, let people tell their story the way they want it. It's like a book, you know. Sure. So, my brother, can we please take it from the beginning? Kuthi Mbongiseni uqhamungaphi utalwaphi?
Yeah. Mina ekhaya kaho eFondoche noma ke lapha eBuhleni. Lojuzi nangihlehla mina ngihlehla lapha eBuhleni ngiwahlakulile eMasimo eNkosi hayi kudlala. That's my grandparents' place and my dad's place. La ngikhonde khona la ngicaba khona ngokusibebe, but la ngikhulele khona ngikhulele eBhunye eNkopolo mina. That's why I'm able to English. Yabo lokukhulele eNkopolo yakhona ku English life yasesilungwini somehow neyase emakhaya ngoba in between. So ngikhulele eBhunye eNkopolo for until I did my Form 3. Then 97. Ngase ngihamba ngiyafunda ePitoli Cornerstone College. Then I did my matric eMpumalanga Sefabs Academy. Ngahamba ngafundzela bunjiniyela 2001 ePitoli. I started 2005. Then I came here. But isondo lami lengikhululekilo church is a Nazarene church. So it's always in my heart. La bengihlabela khona icilongo levangeli ezokudumisa, you know, that has been my church. And later on then But ngishadele Eagles Wings Church. Simply, has been my life. I grew up funza guitar ngifundiswa ngo-Isaac Gamete, Buddy Masango, our icons in the country. So country and Western music. So yeah. I can just simplify my life just like that. Yeah.
So lo music ke njengoba uke wathinsa ukuthi before kude umfundo lo ngathi maybe bobukela kuye ukuthatha phi lokuthi ube nale courage ukuthi uthi I'm sure ngidawushaya igitari ngihlabele kahle ngesitala lesi kanje noma wake wa explore in before.
Okay, mina ngikhula ngithanda music kakhulu, country and western music, because badlala khona ama-guitars kakhulu. So ngilalela umsakazo wakithi iBIS, bekusenginasicoko sencinca lapho, adlala i-country ngabo 2, bengaluzi leli hlelo lelo. So bani lebengabuka kibo local, bengibuka kibo Isaac Gamete, lama ngifundisa guitar na Buddy Masango. So Isaac Gamete, by the way, ngubaba waZenia, one of our local artists, local Zenia Gamete, Ombali Gamete. Ngifunza kibo, a lot of things, but I'm a dreamer, I'm a believer, and I'm a go-getter, So ngawulandzela lo music, listen to Tracy Chapman, Jonah Trading at some point, Begala Swatini, and I could tell the difference of music bo record tege local, and also music lo record tege abroad, because at that time besiseng ele technology sengafiki and nale knowledge yethu is very low in terms of having my engineers that we have today, like good. So my I always saw myself recording abroad because I wanted this good sound, and bengihlala kunetithombe ta Jonah Trading. Nato ngakupha ngilomnye bhuti bekashutha nje aroundini lakhona pha athi lokhu singithanza igitari nemusic lo kanje. So bekashutha Thombe waya e-trade fair, wafika washutha Jonah Trading, wabuya wangipha leti thombe letincane naletinkulu asathi laminateile, because he saw the passion. He's late now, but Eddie. So the thombe leto ngathi thwala ngaze ngawucedza university, tihlala la, enhla kwempethu wami labonzeni ngidiplakile, because bengi reference ngato say I want to be like her, and also Tracy Chapman as well. So ngisengathola signature. Now saqala, you don't know anything about signature. Tsineke bekusete nabo YouTube, nabo WhatsApp ngalesikhathi esikhula. Kude nje ne-internet ukuthi you can, uyabona, i-computer besiva nje ukuthi ikhona le kubo, ma-industries lamakhulu, and to get in-knowledge yekufunza like i-guitar njengamanje, just vele icingo lakho ufunde. So you get these things ngalikhuni, uhambe lo munye ukhanze ukuthi lo sawatile ama-chords akho, ama-chords nawuthi ufuna kufunza kuye avela kuniketa umhlane or show you one chord, the second one tawufuna ulwele kwazi ukuthi ulwela bo 6 months, so uyalifuna leli chord because akafuna ukukutshengisa nakadlala ubese uyaphangisa udlala ngekuphangisa la guitar imade ubona ukuthi ubambephi, naye walithola likhuni somewhere. So bekuya ngekuthi lona le skill, lona information ngibani, and now ufundzisa, I don't give the whole information, uyabona. So because nawe ngilodla ngako stage ingwe idla ngamabalayo, uyabona. So it was difficult, but kwasenda lokho ukuthi I mean also bekusete lama effects or ma plugins, you know, ukuthi uhlabele kahle utivuke. So we were naturally trained by the universe itself ukuthi ukhona effective voice yakho, ukhona natural, ukhona ukuthi you create a tone ku guitar le style sakho, because bekusete lokuthi you can create multiple tones ku guitar lofuna kudlala ngawo. You know, le tinto tufika manje i-technology has made things easier. Uyabona, like right now sesina AI vele uthi ngakhela ingoma lengukuthi avela yende. So in our times bekuvele bekubetha kakhulu, but it kusitrainela ukuthi, you know, ukhone loku create a signature, which is the most powerful thing in the universe. There's only one Michael Jackson, there's only one Oliver Mtukudzi, there's only one Hugh Masekela, because they found their signature, you know, and once you find a signature, it makes things easy. Yeah, one for you, because you get to ukuthi nakangekho Oliver Mtukudzi akekho, nakangekho Hugh Masekela akekho, and with his one salificator, you know, those kind of things. So
and you've shared stages with all of them, by the way. It's crazy.
yes, I've shared stage with all of them, and I thank God, I thank myself. So yeah, but I've been always passionate about music, guitar. I never ever, even today, I still have a lot to achieve. Ngitshela lokuthi you know, inspired ukuthi ngiswati nguphi kunjani ya support arts noma support noma kunjani, but what I tell myself is you know, uNkulunkulu sidale ngekufana, you know, zangathi lo inangidala the youth of Eswatini bona bataba disadvantaged in terms of my arts, they won't reach to, you know, to the world. Usidale safana lokusho ukuthi now it's up to an individual ukuthi umuntu nakathi uNkulunkulu ngidalile kuba nibusa emhlabeni, ukuthatha njani yena lokho, ngoba khona laba netiswa ukuthi ayi bona seba ku top 20 radio Swatini you know, Swatini radio, and they feel like they're on top of the world. It's different. Labanye naba change South Africa, you know, now they're superstars. But for me, it's to conquer the world. It's to conquer the world. That's how I craft myself. That's how I'm shaping myself to be something that the world will appreciate, knowing that kubuya Eswatini, ikangwane lakhona, when you look at the map, it's just the country is just a dot, but you have to shine and bring the light, you know, to the world coming from that particular country, very small country. So that is how I craft myself.
Yeah, we're here to learn, guys. We're here to learn.
Yeah.
So, first guitar yakho na uthi uyayithanza. Do you remember ukuthi waba nayo unangakho eminyaka uyithathaphi?
Yeah. Mina labakhulele eBhunya, bengeva mina kakhulu. Bayathi bengeva nakuthiwa yabona inkopolo yonke. Nakuthiwa kunabantwana labangeva were only few, but igama lami belingasali. And I was in primary.
Bakubita ngabani at this time?
No, bengibongiseni ngubani.
Straight.
Igama la Sunday school, yeah. So bengeva eBhunya, noma ngabe kuthiwa kwendekeni kabani ngimuphi umoti botabona abantu sebanokha sebatobuta time and ubatongicela, you know, and I never planned for it, you know. Now bengithiwa nje sengihamba, hawu mina sekunebangani laba kanje ene labantu sekumoshekile and because nangicheck kahle hle I was at the wrong place at the wrong time with the wrong people. Because nase ngibuka ngiscreena le mpilo yami kude lama suggestions bekasuka kimi ukuthi hey asambe siyomosha lapha usimoshe lapha nakonke lo but bengiba nebangani labangalungi and bengakhona ukutimelela ngikhuluma because I was just young associating with the wrong people. Now kwenda ke ukuthi every time nakune ku chaos lokuthide lapha eNkopolo umfana wakangubane usekhathi bengisekhathi you know now kwafika la khona kade ngikethi nebeshayo shaya nje static bekusetshenzwe my rights ukuthi wangishaya then nangumntwana esikole noma umntwana sohamba bophisa babe ukuthi ukushayile beshaya nje static time alikulelise pass likushayile already shaya ke make ke beka street bekakushaya ngisho wabanga umsindo nje ku-Sunday school yakutrap bangifundisa bebafundisa kuqala before bakushaye bakufundisa nalivesi lelithi khipha bukula entanyeni yomntwana ngani noswazi bese bathi waliva ukuthi lithini ke mfana wami bese basilala phasi ke bakushaya basakusho thina ngisho iBhayibheli then you'll get your strokes how many I don't know but kwakhiwe indvodza lapho now getting my first guitar bengithanda igitha kakhulu so ngabona iplan lokuthi you know what mara time angithi ngiyamosha ngala ngiyacela njani le githa so ngabhala iletter ngabhalela my parents ngabhala incwadi ngabhala ngathi ngicela ningithengele igitali ndawuphendvuka ngingasahluphi la khaya ndawukholwa ndawo esontweni everyday ndawuhlabela esontweni so ngayithatha leyo letha leyo ngayibeka ngayinamathisela ku dressing table yapho lapha esibukweni ngayifaka I remember beyine likhandlela so tshengisa ukuthi kunekhanya empilweni yami sekuthola ukukhanya so ke now batali bami bangasho next ngayo so bangibide on a Thursday time alihola beyobahola nge-fortnight ngalesine eNkopolo eBhunyi kanti time aselile kamanzini layithenga le guitar you know la ifaka phasi embethe that's lapha athi hamba ungithathele libhokisi lami lapha phasi embethe that was my first guitar nakabuya ke
wow
nangiphethe ngivele ukuthi hayi man ngiyakhala le nto lakhathi jabule you know banginike ke le guitar ke that was my first guitar ngiyakhumbula benga standard 4 that's when my life changed without noticing that's why I always encourage batali ukuthi they must be supportive bantwana kuma talents abo because kubasusa entweni letiningi you know the focus was created there lapho ke kwadaleka lenye inkinga ukuthi angisathumeki you know because sengidlala igitali every time afuna ukungithuma sitolo ngidlala igitali ngihamba nale sitolo bafuna ukungithuma kuphi ngidlala ngisegitalini but they'll appreciate that it's much better than the back experience so I would play esontweni vele bengithanda ukuhlabela zonke isikhathi mixal paper solo by Mbongiseni sekuvuka ema groups nyane ekhaya you know a choir na konke lokho I play the guitar so that's how my life changed and that's how I got my first guitar my dad has been very very supportive such that ngathi ngibona igitha nje noma sengisesikolweni kwenza ukuthi nasePitoli nganyelanga because besihlala eflatini kwanze sibanginiketa imali yerent uyidle icethe. Now sekumele ukuthi kunakuma pound shops lokhona lapha etown. Uba chabuka ngidawuthengisani la muzi umbhedze kuphela. Kufuna irent kufuna ibhadaleke ekhaya bakunikile le mali yerent wena uyidlile. I had to sell my guitar. Ngihambe ngiyoyithengisa lapha. And then nangibuya ngifone ekhaya sengitshela time because bengakhona ukuhlala without guitar. But it was the only thing lebeyinevela ukuthi ngayithengisa sikhona ukuthi bangaski mabhuna angasikheli lapha eflatini, you know, lengabhane. So he would always understand me. Ngathi sengiyidid guitar aphinza ayithenga. I think he did that 3 times. And now lama guitars, these were quality guitars lebekangithengela wona. Even today ngayisebenzisa stage. And I'm very grateful and thankful support. Already ke lona vele lithi hey hlabela gospel. Hlabela gospel. Bathi mina hawu make ngani uNkulunkulu mosiyafuna sihlabele ngendalo yakhe ngelithando ngani. Lithi iBhayibheli lidumo lonke kuNkulunkulu. So yeah, we've been always having that battle now. No, I love God, but now I can't just sing. Let me appreciate also lo lokunye uNkulunkulu lakudalile. Motivate through the song ngoba uNkulunkulu uyathanda motivator. You know, talk about love through the songs. Talk about the nature, you know. I already ngafuna lutho. Hlabela. Nangithi ngisathi nje ngisa practice lo mekhani. So let's say zokudumisa necilongo. Hlabelana ngoma nathi. So she's been supportive and she still is naye, you know, and ugcina sa understand ukuthi so okay, vele this was love and naye wabona ukuthi okay, namanje uyasho ukuthi ihlabela le gospel fake futhi kakhulu. Ngisiphathi manje this is gospel
even today.
Yeah.
Basekhona abadala bonke 2.
By the grace of God bakhona.
Yeah. Siyabonga.
Bakhona sibakhulile kona but khona nsimbi.
Do you think they're proud of you?
They're proud of me, knowing where I come from. Knowing where I come from. Yeah, ngoba abajayivisa kakhulu man. Abajayivisa kakhulu. You know, nalabangani baze bathi hey ngabodlala nemfana ngabana ngangubani lapha ngabuye nemfana longeva lapha kanjanjanyana. So today the same parents bacela mina ukuthi ngikhulume nabantu ababo. You know, that has been a twist, but you know lengakunotice ukuthi it's very very challenging to change your stigma. Losoti fagekiso ukuthi this is how the community is taking you. And now to twist that around, kushinja lokucabanga kwabo ukuthi this is who I am now. It takes a lot of effort and lots of believing in yourself, a lot of focus, a lot of send, just a lot of energy, you know, to do the right things consistently, you know, until they say, you know what, indeed, you're a good guy. It's just that lapa, so I'm proud of myself as well, you know, that I managed to change that.
No, siyabonga. So now let's take it back, big brother. Kuthi uyabuya ushithu ufundzile ePitoli.
Yeah.
Graduate la ngithi.
Mina nginginjiniyela lo.
Nginjiniyela nje angithi.
Nginga apply manje
So now lo muntu wami ukuthi ngibhizi ngipheka ubutisa ngithi angithi.
Yeah.
Ukuthi how do you now at that time, especially njengoba usho the challenges that you might face as an artist, as a creative in the country, so kuma arts. So ufundzile abatali they've invested bakugrantisele bohlala kumadima ePitoli.
Yeah.
Seqhamuka kuphi ke nyalo lesibinzise ukuthi ngithi ayi bekade impepha tami eceleni ngithatha igitari ngento music full time I'd assume nangabe wenda njalo.
Yeah. And kufika lokho at a time la khona bese ku bantu eBunya because time abelisipana kaSaphi. You know, bese kudendwa abantu, you know, bakhishwa kudenda ukuthi bakhiphe bakhishwe ngesikhathi lesingakafanele, you know, and bahamba nema-packages lamancane. And le mpilo yaba-challenging, you know, ekhaya. Beta-ke, you know, ma-colleagues ama-ke sontweni batothandaza, awu siyabonga abantwana sebacedzile esikoleni bamdumisa kwathandazwa kwabonga, hey, you know. Now, the job lengasithola lesibani lesi ngasitholela nga-Archie Magwaza, and I'm thankful of him. Ngahamba ngaspana engwenya Polypack. Hayi ngabona ukuthi kwaba mnyama mina. This is not me. Mina ngithanza music. You know, kwafika ngaspana second time. First time, second time nangiya kube likhuluma kona lokuvuka ngifake ama-boots ngihambe ngemsebenzini ngifake overall. Hayi bathila nje uyishaya nini. Ngive ngathi nje yabona my life is stuck, completely stuck. Ikhale lensimbi ithi la ikhala lapha hayi mina ngipakishe ama-overall lami ngihamba wonke manje. Ngithi ngihamba ngiyovalelisa lapha batawushayela Archie Mos bamtshele ukuthi hey, you know, ngaphuma ngelunch emsebenzini. Ngaphuma as if ngothenga amafethi lapha ngaphandle egedeni lapha engweni. Ngahamba wonke. Ngashaya sengishaya the following day ukuthi hey, you know what, mina I'm not coming back.
On the second day?
Yes.
Literally on the second day?
Mina
1-2?
Yes. Now, leso sikhathi njengokuthi beba celebrate ukuthi yathi kuthina at least bantwana sebacicile esikoleni will be now life will be better, you know. But there's one thing lena yenda ngiphume egedeni. I prayed uNkulunkulu, you know, ngathi God, it's me, it's you and my guitar. Eswatini angase ngabona umuntu enda living through music, aphila ngemusic. Because back then bekunalokuthi nawudlala igitari kakhulu hamba nema-band, bekungathi adithi mzala. And also kunalokuthi once you choose le pathway yaka arts na in shothi you're not good enough esikolweni, something like that. That's why even Kitali was classified ukuthi bathi imbambo daSathane, you know, nawudlala Kitali. I don't know ukuthi kusuka phi, but nje bekunala ama-negative stories lawo. Number 4, angina reference lengathi, you know, no, mina ngifuna kudlala ngiloba njengabani. Buka nyalo States, you know, even in soccer, there's no reference. I were under the same thing, it's still under arts and sports. Kuthi reference ukuthi bani shasibhakela kuphi, say USA, you know, say international khona bani kuphi. I had no reference at all. And then I prayed ngathi Smakazi, it's me, you my guitar. Lelo ngifake kule nto let's you. Ngiyokuplantela kimi. I love it and I cannot ignore that I'm loving this thing. But can you please nyalo ngisathatha le decision le ube nami? Because I know exactly where I want to go, where I want to be, but I cannot do it alone. Ngicela ukuthi walk with me in this journey. In SA, they've got my references, maning. You know, Miriam Makeba, Hugh Masekela, Jonathan Butler. The list is endless. Even today, people are still. You go to Zimbabwe, is the same thing. Lesotho, Botswana, you know, all over. But ngasnambuka lakhaya, you know, bahlabela, but bapi, you know, I mean, so such that, and even my first song, nangiceza nje. Ngiyocala kuhlabela ngifuna kuhlabela nangibatshela bomake. You know, my mom said, uphutile. Besikhathi thina ukuthi angawucede nalo university. Lo kwenda manje because batali bakho bakwadi ngcono. Babonga nje uthi siyabonga ukuthi ucedzile university, it's okay, you can live your life. that's fine. Baqhubeka baba supportive. You
Wow.
know, now, the challenge is that I'm starting something. Yes, bekhona ngiyahlathshela, but le igoli yami ukuthi lento engisebentele, you know, yendlule even nakube ngufundzele bonakala ukuthi because it's something that I love and I have to make a living out of it. Ngifuna kuba ne-family, ngifuna kushada and ngikhone ukuthi i-family yami isupporteke ngayo. But now the way i-arts ingakhona la Swatini isese behind kakhulu. I had to truly believe in myself, you know, to break all the barriers and boundaries, you know, those energies we are on, because I've received even lots of negative talks, you know, I lost even friends. And my first gig actually nangiyekela was at Portugal and ngicashwe Peace, DJ Peace back then.
Rest in peace.
Yeah, yes. May his soul rest in peace. Portugal, wangiholela a plate of chips and a thigh, you know, like umlendo wenkukhu ngadla kahle, you know, and wasungibhadalela ne-tax. Yathi hayibuya manje odlala la Portugal and yeah, you get that meal. Uyabona sekung that meal. Eish, ngiyifune that meal. Ngiqhubeke ngithi hayi man, you know what? Let me go to Spare. Spare bese selapha by Riverside lapha in Dasembabane. Yeah. Opposite or behind Pick and Pay lana. Spare bese selapha and lapho bengidlala bengisolo ngiva ngema-spare ribs. Ngathi la ma-spare ribs bakhuluma into le kanjani konke. I went there. That's where I got my first cash. It was 200. Ngidlale just for 2 hours, and then I could get rep, my spare ribs, and also my fries as well. So I'd take that home, sit and put it on the table, and now you know, and still my parents would be just appreciative. And okay, I see how this now and so forth. Went to play at a Portuguese restaurant. It's the one opposite. And that's why we did lapanga opposite labeku Spare corner. Yes.
I got you.
So dlala lapha for 4 hours. Bekude, you know, kude bantu kumakhata. That guy will let you play in the cold. And what I would do, that French the guy beka inakasiteta kuholela imali asibhadala 400, bengibhadala 400 lapho. After 4 hours performing for 4 hours, njengobona ukuthi most of the time when I perform I close my eyes. It was the only way I would create for myself an audience. And I would tell myself, Guti, you know, Logungla Finesse, I'm in London and I'm performing for 60,000 people. And I'm closing my eyes. I could see them, hey, asking for more, encore, hey, please, tell encore, and so forth. That's how I've been like driving the whole thing until it became a habit that when I play most of the time, I close my eyes. Because ahead, creator, you know, the positive energy around me and seeing that establishing we are one. So, and by grace of God, today it's happening because it's what I used to plant, you know, it's what I used to believe in, and I still do even now. That's whenever I'm performing, I'm always seeing myself ahead of what I'm doing today. So yeah, finally I got a guy. Themba Sukati, what say this Slaylo Selota Hamba, yodlala le, go and open for him. And Slaylo Selota was excited. This House on Fire. House on Fire, Mugulang Didi Cool. Didi Cool, that's okay. I'll give you open for Imalaika. You know, and I was so nervous.
Umuphi umnyaka lana ukhumbula?
But ngicabanga ukuthi 2007. Yeah, 2007. Gave me the stage. That's ngingaqala khona ke ku Sebenza House on Fire 2007. Yeah. They would give me the stage now and then. Opening for SA artists. I've been an opening act for some time. House on Fire. Lots of times for opening for big artists, you know, and that's what reinforced me. Nalogu perform, you know, guma restaurants and so forth. But I'll time myself because being artist, each journey has to end abroad. That is within me. So I would do something. Benginegu checker also nang performer. Nang cala cause ngivale mehlo and nang check ngendlela yokuchecka ukuthi are they appreciating the music lengibadlalela wona. So once I see a guy tapping, then I will know ukuthi okay, just by Tanza or this part Tulos Batula Nagate Palapa or Hambis inhloko, then I'll emphasize more, you know, on that part. Now, finally, I was discovered by a Alliance Française, my French lapa Claude Goni. You said, you know what, Boloja, actually, yes, Bengala, but my le growth yami be very fast.
Neligama liqhamuka so uvela ukubita ngaphorosha bengifuna ke lapho.
Ngiyakhona.
Okay, cool. Ngoba ngiva so uvela
ukubita. My French, yeah. So my French, as you know what, say Tanza yes, you still rough, but we see a potential in you. Your singing is different. Because ngabona lokuthi, you know what, nangihlabela, I used to sing kind of Western music, ngicule njengaDolly Gibbs, you know, exactly, or like 80%, almost like sing Tracy Chapman. Last night I heard a screaming, loud was his behind the wall, not a sleepless night for me, who did not good to pay the police. So, Jonah my trading, I would sing almost the same like them. I didn't have a signature, you know. I didn't. Then I said, you know what? No man, let me sing in Siswati. Let me appreciate who I am. Let me be me. Yabona. And ngaqala kuhlabela lengoma lethi yakhala Indoda Ayikwati Kusoma. That was my first televised song on Swazi TV. And that's when people say, hey, you know, lo mntu lona uyekele bunjiniyela lapho yohlabela letigaleta lapha ku TV na konke. But they didn't have the fire that I had inside me. Still, they do not have the fire that I have within myself even today. Because I have to keep this fire burning all the time for me to get somewhere. So now, singing in Siswati, it gave me, at all. You know, there were only features. Isaac Gametze bangifundisa behlabela country ngeSiswati. My band, Lamat Zala Mbacanga bacula mostly ngesizulu. Mbacanga even the church songs and, you know, begcwele nje ukuthi sihlabela ngesizulu. And Paula Mamba, you know, is based in Netherlands, but we don't know much of him. So we see this corner thing. I look the industry corner logo say shalapa. But okay, Swati, let's say Netherlands. Paula Mamba, kula ngesiswati. So naye ngafunza kuye. It's just that noma ngabe beyakwenda, but it wasn't breaking. And kule audience, kule new generation lesekhona bese kwathiwa nje ukuthi akuculeki nje, kodwa wenza kuculeki ngeSiswati. So I managed to make it possible to many Swatini artists today lokuthi siSiswati uyakhona kuhlabela ngaso and still be international. And today it's a big thing, and I appreciate that because I contributed a lot, to in influencing that. Le vele bekumadima kucula ngeSiswati kakhulu because bengasinto lesibonako now and then. So they had me singing Siswati, these French guys, and they said, you know what, Bolocha, we believe, we like the style sakho lo hlabela ngaso nalo dlala ngaso. We believe it can be international. We can internationalize it, but you are rough. We want to expose you, to international musicians and stuff abroad, so that you have a reference. You learn, how to go to shape your own craft, because we think that we see if singacala siku expose the market leyo, you learn fast of how you can package yourself so that you can be sellable internationally. Ngaso leSiswati.
From zero,
so then they started sending me France. 2008, I would stay there for
at this time.
1
I'm still
month.
waiting for the Bolocha name.
Yeah. They're
They're
sending
at this time.
Mbongsen.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, go there to France, Mbongsen the first time, 2009. I go there to France again. So long Mbongsen, 2010, I go to France. Now, ngingena ku competition bangifaka because bebang nabangisa le it wasn't just ukuthi ngiyohlala, but participate kakhulu because bangimithise nama musicians. A lot of not just musicians but top musicians. Nangikhuluma nje, my first album I worked with a lot of professional musicians, even the engineers. Drama yami nje, the late Felix Sabaleko, may his soul rest in peace. He was playing for Janet Jackson. He was playing for Snoop, playing for Sade, for Peter Gabriel. In all my albums, Felix has been playing for me.
Wow.
So now Amen Viana is playing for Angelique Kidjo, and Ali Delphion Keys playing for Salificator. Many well-known great musicians. And David, my producer, I'm still working with him. David Felgerol, he's working with a lot of artists, and also is an engineer for Wali Padaru. Wali Padaru is a producer himself. He's produced many African icons, but inyanga itelaphi basho njalo Swati. So yena nakande umsebenzi wakhe umixelwa nguDavid Masterishele. So they worked together with David. Wali Padaru produced Salificator, Yusondo, Angelique Kidjo, you name it, Peter Gabriel. There are quite a lot. Now, he had also my song in the latest album, yeah, I want to work with this artist, and I'm very thankful and grateful that I worked with Wally Badarun, one song, Touch from Heaven. Anyways, coming to the Lel Gamalel, Ngeneli competition, it's a competition, one of the biggest competition hosted by Culture France. Arts and Culture was France. Identify the next big artist, African artist, that is gonna lota khona ukuthi bam iconize in the year in 2010. So ngengenele a competition le, it's an African competition, ngiyayewina le ya 2010. Ngile Davis Kavebo, Blick Bassi, Gareth Ford, so Asa from Nigeria, and I won the one for 2010. Nangiwina, so then that's when they said I must record a album yam, in 2010. So my first album. Now, most of the guys couldn't pronounce my name. Bongiseni, don't you have another word? You have another name, that you can use. That's simple, Quickly let me figure Polocha. No, let me use Polocha, because Polocha has been my nickname, a primary. My friends are claiming for royalties for the name now. One of them is Mpumelelo Kam. Yeah, because nangisemncane mina inhloko yami beyicijile la ngemuva ilipolocha. So bengineliphondo.
Ukuze ubheke phansi.
I don't know now ukuthi kusekhona ngoba sekaba nesihluthu, but nje beyicijile bathi ngipolocha. Primary besiphakelwa sidonono. Thina besidle esikolweni, sidle amabhontshisi, besibita ngithi indambuza. Lencwancwa leyelo isangalane. Hawa sondla uhulumende kakhulu, kucela sondla uhulumende. Nathi ithi break time, kwakhala nje lensimbi. Uyagijima ujakuba number one. So mina bengine-turbo charger, bengi-turbo charger ngaleli phondo. Yabo. So bangaze kabona ngento nje. Vele ngidaba number one. Gijima ngifike lapha ecaleni, ngifike ngithatha indishi ecala. Bathi hayi sivele sabona libholoja lento so. Hayi ibholoja so la vela kanjalo ke leli gama ke uthi ngibholoja primary, ibholoja and so forth. Then I said no, let me just use Lil Gamalam La Polocha. I think it fits perfectly.
We are embracing it this time.
This time, ngiyalithanda kakhulu.
But at that time,
it was just a name. Angithi bevele bethi that was our game.
Okay.
Bese Nyongana. Besigwarana, maybe language.
Yes.
It was part of our game, lento le. Bekufana nekudlala PlayStation. Ngoba beside thina iPlayStation zethu siyanyongana, uzidlala lama games eziswati, uzidlala ama-engage nakonke lokho. So iguru sibe neguru silwe. Unfortunately kuthi le ngayewina e-primary. Bebahlale bangcimla sonke isikhathi. So I used that name ke Polocha, but yeah, Polocha, it sounds good, And ngase ngakhakele ngoma le let's say from zero to hero.
Beautiful.
Ngiyakha based on the name. Lokuthi Lil Gama, it's a mocking name. It's just a nothing name and no name. Polocha, but today Polocha is a brand that you pay for. That is keeps on adding value. It's today because I'm still adding value on it. Agugemi. If you're failing to pay Polocha today, that's 70K for performance. It means you'll pay for Polocha 350,000.
70K for performance.
That's nothing. That's nothing.
Oh, bro.
Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something. Nangifika sometimes it's embarrassing. Now so fika ngaphandle ufika uthi uchacha 70k. Well, like I have got a stable amount, otherwise ngeke sekusebenzeke. Ngivela you know ngutshela ngichacha naku wena, what's your offer, that's it. Now if no, we're still adding value, bro. Man, I'm seeing myself in the future charging 600,000 just like the other artists. If they can, if they can, then why not us?
From
why
where
not
you
us?
come from, minimum 70k for
yeah. Nansi solo nje ngithi 30k ngifakele 30k singabe solo sikhuluma uthi hayi
singayisi my French.
No,
my French
it's the value, it's the value of what I sing, the value of what is crafted, because I bring quality to you.
The art.
You understand? Now, if labanye nangifika ngaphandle emaveni base uyasihlaza, uyabona ama-artists achache in, double the amount. It has happened 2 times. Lokusho ukuthi you don't know your value. As an artist, you must know your value. Be hated for it. Sengatshela ukuthi ngamane ngithathe i-craft yami ngibeke ekhabetheni, ngihambe ngithanyele emgwaqweni noma ngilime emakhabishi noma ngihambe ngithanyele kumastandi okuphi endlini tebantu, than to abuse what I've worked for. Because you know ukuthi once into wayisebenta yaba lapha eTulu, now it doesn't concern you alone as the founder or the owner. It automatically become an ambassador of Eswatini. Kahle kahle shokuswena uthi indoda yaseSwatini ichiphile. You know, you are valueless. Why are other artists from other countries bakhona ku charge a value that they're worth of, and when awukhoni ku price the true value of your craft, you'll never grow. They'll never take the country serious. Bona kunema consequences akho, because it comes back with negative responses. Kuthi hayi lona ucabanga ukuthi uyadada ngeke simcashe thina. You have to stand, you know, for that. That's when bese kuyasida lokuya nasesikolweni. You know, ungathi nje mina ngil-artist mina geleza. You know, wendela kona lokuthi you can still survive without destroying what you've built for years. You must know your value as an artist, you see. So I'm growing my value of my craft every single day. Every single day. If Black Coffee can do it, why not us? He's a human being like us. Why should we remain below 6,000? Ngoba ngiswati. Bafana ngihloniphe? No. Ahloniphi ngevalue. Quality. And quality atholakala eSwatini.
Sikiyo nyalo. I mean,
quality yatholakala eSwatini. This podcast that you're doing, you want to tell me it's not of value? It has got value, it's quality. You compete as you are in this podcast. If we always ahead, trying of how can you better it, so that it competes. Go standardless international. So you have to go to now craft something. That's why I always ask them, how? Ema awards akwawini ngithi mina maybe ngidawucela kuwina nasebafaka ukuthi international achievements, then sengiyaqualify ngena kuma awards. But as long as basabuka ukuthi kuma awards ngibani loku top 10 or top 20 la Swatini, then I won't qualify. But if they want to, Emma Awards afuna reach kimi akaqale kubuka international, then they'll find me. Because that's why I operate. That's why I operate. That's how I've crafted myself. France nje ngaba ku Radio France top 10. That is international radio. Uyabona? My latest album 2023 top of the world. Top of the world. Go genre of world music.
Tandla fortunes. Sakushayela sinetandla wasisafinyelela khona bayana support
futhi ke asesabi nanokudikhulumela.
Yes.
Because you know, if awudikhulumela uyakhuluma manje. Sine mandate yethu is to achieve what is called the impossible.
Yes.
That is what is living inside us. And is to motivate and the next generation, to inspire the next generation. So, now I'm in top 20 bongnene. Just go and search for me international Damtola platform. My name is there. I collaborate with Nyalonja. I'll be collaborating with Black Mambas, with Salificator. You'll find me there. I time myself. Labanye how wow I see the visions, yes, focused in the box. My focus is international. Is to put Eswatini on the map. Is to paint a rainbow color for our country. That's where I am. That's how I operate. Ang market Eswatini. No. I market Eswatini globally. Whether arts and culture is supporting me or not supporting me, I do it. It's mandate. It's inside me. It's living inside me. That I have to be global as a Swati, marketing my country.
Yeah. We are learning. I'll keep on saying that. Yeah, thank you so much, my brother, for coming. Guys, make sure you pause this video. Remember, you subscribe, hit the notification button, you comment our big brother Apology is in the building, dropping gems. It's a beautiful conversation. So, my brother,
yeah.
Ngabe angayendi justice nangakhulumi nge-album Swazi Soul.
Swazi Soul.
Yeah. Swazi Soul.
Soul, yeah.
Beautiful album, my brother. I think, I don't know how to put that album. It felt like umhlaba wema for a second.
Thanks, brother.
Never skip a track on that album. That's why when I said to you, there's even no need for you to be rushing. Now you have 3 albums.
Yes, yeah.
There's no need music quality because I can tell you now, in this digital era, I'm sure and I know.
So long as my royalties I.
Yo,
and I cooler every
what was
time.
going through your mind when you made that album? Beautiful album, guys. And Pinza Les Genre Stella. What did you call it, by the way?
Swazi.
Yeah. No, not the album. The Les Genre. Once Stella and you made it name.
Maybe that's Swazi Soul.
Oh, it's the Swazi Soul. That's the
it's not the title of an album.
It's the title of the album. Then Pinza. It's the
it was
the launch of yes. Thank you. What was going through your mind when you made that album? And how much money did you make from that album?
To be honest, the energies were allowing me. The support, I had so much support from Swati people. You know, in the support here, my French. You know, to make a good album, it takes not just you to be in the studio. it takes almost everything to be right around you.
Yo.
You know, your energies akufuna ube distracted. Akufuna ube distracted. Sineke sesibadala, I've got 4 kids. Nangala uthi sathi eish ngala zocabanga school fees ngalana eish, you know, I can't go for so long because bantu abami and that and so forth. It takes a pure mind, a free spirit, dedication, you know. And that album is well known because at that time, music wethu besisa, it was hard copy.
CD.
You understand? The moment kushintsha kungena go digital, not everyone goes go digital. That's why ekhaya bowuthi noma ngabe ungakayithengi wena le album, but your cousin would have, or your mom would have.
I'd watch their car listening to that album. I don't think you understand.
So yes,
it created so many memories for me.
So
I was
now,
young, a kid.
Yes. Now the challenge is not that if you can go there and listen to the rest of the albums, like even the one Lewi Nil. Labanye bathi kuthi hey, awusahlabeli. Ganzi, it's not the same era. We shifted. Everything is digital.
Yo.
Bolosha music is out there and it's competing. You know, it's just that kunebantu labangafuna ukutransform.
Yes, I agree.
Bangene ku the digital world where we are. One of them. But
I was about to say we were fighting about it off air.
But you know, that has been the challenge. But to those level esebaku first world in terms of, you know, listening to music, you know, digital and so forth, and my followers are Bolocha, they still appreciate the music that is out there in a very big way. So I try to better myself in each and every album, and I try that it shouldn't sound the same, but still without losing the signature. But still it has to be, you know, album. An album that is you can play it forever. You know, instead it must gain value. We are born at the price bengithengiswa ngayo le album ngathi okay, I know 120. Miyalo bayifuna hayi man ngithi noma nga 500 ngayithenga the same album.
How well did that album do? Ngicela usinike isithombe nje that time what was going. I was a kid watching you winning a Satma lapho uvunulile ungena SABC 1.
Yeah.
So how well did that album do? Yakuthatha yakubeka phi empilweni? How much doors did it open? Sinike isithombe what's going through your mind because that's a debut album, Mangins.
Yeah. It opens so many doors, bro. Even international, it opens so many doors. Because nalabangati ngayo is still bantu bakuthanza ngale nto bakwati ngayo. Yes, you can continue, but bafuna nakuya. And we have a challenge with that as artists because nakufika nje ngiyabekisa ama-Soul Brothers sifuna mama kaSibongile. Buthi sebakhethe pletisha asinenzaba naloko we still need it. So yamaketheka kahle kakhulu. Yafika just before the transition ukuthi singene ku digital platform. So bebayimaketha physical, you know, imaketha ngo-Share Sound, you know, all over in African countries, and in a share imaketha, it's a French company, but isebenzisana na SACEM. You know, SACEM is more like in South Africa, Guna Samro. So yeah, reach to number of radio stations. Yeah, one because bebafika nalabantu physical, but don't deliver the package in Sakatweni. Whether it's Kenya, whether it's Gupi, Radio Kenya, no Gupi, and I remember also I did a tour, album layer for 20 African countries. you know, netiqhingi nje letinye, Madagascar, Reunion Island, Comor, you know, number of African countries. So whenever sikuleyo country leyo, we'd go to the radio station and sishiye i-package ema-cities khona, and also we send out my interviews leswendawo. Then we do a show, we move to another country and so forth. So it was well financed, you know. Yeah, kusho ngelenda i-breakthrough, and then lamanye ke you know, asahamba la kwavula leya khona.
So kumqoka ukuthi vele la kuqaleni ushise records kakhulu. But I'm like exchange nempilo yakho, because that's the most important part, because nyalo sekuya transition. Did you ever feel that pinch ukuthi I'm global ngenda kahle, I'm international now, but maybe the money doesn't match the fame type of thing?
You know, even today, the money, even today, it doesn't match, the pocket doesn't match my biography or my CV or my singing. You know, with the first album, maybe the second one, kusuke marketing kakhulu more than now to your mixale Mercedes ufike washiye mahala, because usukutshala, you know, with the first album uyahlanyela kahle kahle, you're pushing. So giyo kufuna ukuthi kuphume kakhulu than ukuthi kungene. And so you're still new in the market. So you're planting. It's only after some time where you harvest. Where you start harvesting and so forth. And it takes its own time. Akufanani because music uyehluka. Yabona music wami ulungisa Slow Poison. Ngiyakhipha nyalo album. Iyangena kancane ingenza hayi man. Le ingoma nje bacala ngayo uthi Zero to Hero. Emva kwaloko hayi akusasi Zero to Hero, Khonkosilele. Hayi akusasi Khonkosilele bani number 1 yami sengiyiphiphi indzawo yami. You know, it's not like the other genres ukuthi hayi uthi number el piano wena iyasho, you know, ukuthi vele topic up nyalo. It's song that it gradually grows. Every time it grows. Even this album, Le Mwendi Lenyalo, the impact yale cabanga ukuthi ngirelease it was 2023, but the feedback ngikhona ngiva manje. But you know what, I was listening to your album, I was driving to Joburg. Yeah. No, sebendile lapho. So music lo kanjalo. So the impact is always growing. Now, you know what's the only challenge that I can say that we are facing, because is that now as you are growing as an artist in the kingdom, you have to grow with your government. The government has to grow with you. Government must have eyes to identify and support. You find that kuba lukhuni manje, because automatically once you grow and reach out to the world, sekunetinto lokufuna ukuthi ubambisane ngato nelive. Noma lama opportunities angati availa, but so kulukhuni ubamba kuphunyuke because you are alone. Ubamba kuphunyuke because you are alone. Kunetinto lekumele ukuthi ubambisane nato nelive noma nahulumende wakho. So that's where the challenge is. Bese kwenta tinto kube stagnant, kuphunyuke ama opportunities lamakhulu. you know, sekwenda lento ukuthi iba stagnant ngoba lama systems la khona la ngaphandle, but you know what, we want to help you, but we kuthi ube la kule level le, but we can't have you if uhulumende wakho anganibanzakanyi nathi. I won't forget at some point, bangitshela bathi, hey, sorry Bholotsha, you have to catch the next flight back to your country. You know, ngise Paris. Sengiku platform la khona ubona ukuthi, I mean, all the other countries basebenta kanjani. But I think kutasita, you know, ngasita also silive lokuba a par, at same level with labantu labaku industry, whether it's soccer, whether it's boxing, whether it to be in the same line, if they're not, or they have to be ahead of us, because sinesiya push kwenza ukuthi seside khiyatala ngihulumende lonato learn. Once you push up to a certain level, you then automatically become an ambassador of your country. Nemave lasakusita afuna kukusita ngoba nabo abafuna ukukusita nje basita umuntu, bafuna kubonakala ukuthi siphethile kule level elibabambisa kunako. Abafuna ukusita nje koneni, hey siyakusita la koneni
wena.
It must be an open book to them, ukuthi we are helping this country, and by so doing bakwenda via arts and culture, because that's where I fall under. But if this side is lacking, there's no support, then it affects everything. It affects not just only me. It affects what was going to grow the country through me, what was going to grow the industry through me. Because, you know, if we have vigilant and sensitive supporting team, it should take that advantage of seeing something that has got a potential and support it immediately. Not just Bholotsha. I'm not talking about Bholotsha now. I'm just talking about potential that we have, talents that we have in the country, in the film. Because that's how, once they do that, seen as artists, we have the capability, the potential, we can automatically bring investors in the country. Le level ngamaketheka njengaloku eHollywood makethekile, it's through the arts industry. We have the rainbow colors to paint our country beautiful, as it is beautiful. We have the power of putting those colors there, of our flag out there. But we can't do it alone. We can only do so much.
Yeah. Kuyabukelwa, kuyalalelwa phindze at the same time. Was the podcast. So lona ndleba kev.
Yeah.
So is there light at the end of the tunnel? Because I asked this because in njengoba usho, you were lucky enough for parents ukuthi bakuvumela ukuthi bakuthembe ngoba bakubonile ukhwele enifunayo. So lo mnye umntwana utayibukela le podcast, lo nemfana naye lo funa kungena arts. It doesn't have to be.
It's like every
guitar.
home kune artist. Every home has got a studio.
So what's the plan now? What is the light at the end of the tunnel? What do you say to that parent? What do you say to lo mfana nyalo?
It's better now, bro. It's better. And I believe it's no more like akusafani nakuqala nasaqala thina. Laba demva wethu thine, you know, nasa charger, this is charger 6,000. Buphuma ephepheni. Kuthi Bholoja ucharger 6,000 because bekungakadayeleki. And you'll face all the hardships and the negative responses. Uthi phinzo ikhuphula it's 15,000 phuma ephepheni. 20,000 lapho ke awusaqashwa mbamba. You know, how cabanga ukuthi ngibani lona what and kuyafika la kubo bathi ha wena bathi ngeke bakuqashe wena because kune misinterpretation or I don't know lendlela bakuthatha ngayo. The more you emphasize your value, simply that's bakuthatha ngathi ngikhuluma nje ngelanguage le easy. Awuthwalile loyo. You know, no matter how humble you are, but the fact that you understand your value and you charge, lokubona wena ukuthi kufanele wena. Njengalokhu sikhona ukuthi foreign artist naba charge 200 bakhona kumbhadala, naba charge 500,000 bakhona kumbhadala, naba charge 10 million bakhona kumbhadala. But when our charger your lousy 40K, you won't get a meal on the table. So my advice is that, and my hope, I can see, because I love my country so much. It has to be a calling, because if it's a calling, it doesn't have to be just a talent for now. Because if it's just a talent, soon you'll divert. It has to be a calling, because if it's a calling, awukhona ukubalekela. Kuhle kubi, you stand for it. Because kufuna ukuthi umele kwenda lokuhle, ukwenda live lakho noma ngabe lesimo sinjani. I want to put my country on the map, whether I have the support or I don't have the support. It's no more about you. It affects your family, yes. But you have to be fit inside. You have to be very strong. Because as Getelila Gutoba famous, you know, it's something, when you say it's something that we love and it's a calling, it needs so much dedication and focus to it, and you know, to stand for whatever. You know, so we are the industry has changed in a big way. Namhla uhulumende sikhuluma ngokuthi ama royalties ema artists asayabhadalwa for every song that's being played there. It was not there yesterday. But kuthethe wona lama artists, kubite wona lama artists la fully dedicated ukuthi simo noma ngabe sinjani. Uyabona? Things sibe positive nje. You know, lokuthi it's not about our singing only, but also it's about kushintsha lemiqondo lokuthi le industry lekiyo you can make a living out of it. Possible. But kusafuna ukuthi sifundzisane na hulumende wethu. Engani lamanye amave ayakwenda. Possible. So nalakhaya singakwenda. So we will have that eventually reach on that green light that you're talking about. But we still have to unpack a few things until we get there. It's not yet, we're not yet there. The support, the media platforms, it's 100%. But will the media platforms, the way people, the way you're known to the public, will it match your pocket? No. Will it make you to, the earnings that you have, will they make you be able to pay your rentals or to build a house or to look after your family and stuff? No. Emabhange wona ayakuva nawuthi ngiloboleka imali nabakubuta uthi usebenza bhange artist ayakuva. So there's still a lot. Emabhange akakuva nawuthi usathi ngiloboleka imali la ebhange usebenza bhayi ngoba watshe kusasa namhla ucashwe kusasa kwacashwa. We still have to create systems that will be fundamental and akhone lokuthi asupporte le arts industry without being independent ku-government, but to start lama systems lawo latawukhona ukuthi abe self-generative akhone lokuthi asupporte le industry. Nangikhuluma nge-industry ngikhuluma ngama-artist so that akhone ukuba recognized like mabhange nakuphi. We still have to do those kind of systems. And kubita lokho ukuthi sibambisane, sisebende kanye kanye. Kungabi lokuthi the higher you go, the colder it becomes. And kula seba acquire knowledge. Abangafucula phela lekhashana, ababuyise la. Ukuthi yemaja lona ineseni lapha. How do you think we can better this industry? You understand? Because we want to see it le industry ingasithi thina kuphela, but kube industry lekhona ukuthi inciphise employment. Ngoba now artist uyakhona ukuthi ucasheke ngaphandle, ulenza imali le ibuye la ingene la Swatini, and ifule lo mnotho wala Swatini. If we could do that, because there's so much potential in the country, so if lama artists asupporteka ngendlela yokuthi akhone lokuthi aphumelele ngaphandle, alanze naku lokungafula lo mnotho, it's either abosomabhizinisi or they get to be booked outside. Le mali ibuye ingene la ifule leli live lakhaya. But if thine siku opportunity yokuthi singakwenda lokho but asikwendi, sivimba less success, not just the success of the artist, sivimba le possibility yokuthi we can reduce unemployment lakhaya through the art industry, just because we are taking things personal. We're not doing things by merit. Because kufuna ukuthi sendlule la kuthenini hayi ngibholoja lo, hayi lona nguzaza, hayi lona ngkhethesi, lona ngibani. Kufuna sibuke lokuthi what are the lo muntu lona sokuphi, how can we support him fully ngoba sokule platform le, so that ato unchaina naku lokusibambile ngala. Because once we invest kulama artists, we're not only freeing them, we are freeing the industry. We are liberating the industry from lakuthenini iqale kuba fruitful in terms of creating jobs for the artist. Ungabe nje ukuthi lana into yokuthi nawufuna kuba celebrity uyavela uhambe udlale top 20 ube ne-award and then there's nothing. We have to be an industry that changes the economy in the country. But we cannot do it alone. We need the government to believe in us, and that it can happen.
Hey, my brother, we sinayo singahlalana kuze kushonele ilanga kaze kuphele nemafilimu. But I'm excited to see you. Ngiyakubona performa kuMomo lapha. From my experience.
Yeah.
Usithembisani lapha stage. I'm one of the people that's gonna be there front line. Ngenda nje lapha.
Damn bad. New songs. I know ukuthi lel hour lelo liphela abantu bafuna hey khongothilela ngathi sibayithanzela le khongothelele. Hey khongothelele. 02 Hero. You know iphela nje bafuna lokule bangeva ngako. So but anyways isitawuzama ukuthi half sidlala le album lothi wayithanza nawe yona le yabo inzawo yami and then also new stuff man, new stuff. Yeah, new stuff.
Lena question yekugcina before I let you leave. Nago kuthiwa one of the good days, maybe usekhona, maybe awusekho.
Yeah.
Sekune documentary about Bholoja. Sesoyibukela lapha ePlaza ICC.
Yeah, ezulwini Palazzo.
ePlaza.
Yeah.
Sesoyibuka phe ICC. Yeah, Bholoja.
I receive. But angireceive lokufa.
No. But saying just because we are archiving.
Yeah.
Sesihleti siyayibuka, what's the first scene?
Yeah.
Bholoja kuthiwa wow. Seyaphuma ligama ukuthi maybe Sbanbani production. First image. Sithombe lesendeka ukuphi kwendekani sibonani. First time kuvela picture lapha.
That's a challenging one. But I'd love to see a picture, what I have to plant back in the country. In changing the arts industry. Because by the time nakuvela ngifuna kuvela ukuthi Bholoja waba yi-artist wahamba la, but my final destination is tangible things that I've managed to do in shaping the arts industry. That will be useful in empowering, the arts industry, of which I still see a very big gap in that. Very big gap. It will be those things to see what I have done for my country in the arts industry. Go see, this is what I did, 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 this is what I did. Because to me, it's not about me just achieving. Yes, that's part of the journey, or meeting. Yes, I meet people of high authorities, people who are very famous people, but what have I done for my country meeting those people? Because we meet these people so that we come and empower our people locally. So I think that will be my final destination. Like, to plant what I see, benefiting the art industry, through all this experience that I've done and that I've still going to have, finally establishing, schools, centers that will empower the next generation. Those kind of things. It doesn't have to be schools alone. It can be anything. But that will impact the country and leave it not to be the same.
My brother, thank you so much.
Yeah,
Wishing you
man.
all the best. Sitawubonana estradini, probably phinde sibonane la nasodrophile lenye
Later,
album in the next, because phela na tryisa na drop album uphinze
Yeah.
lesilophoze sidle kancane. Sitawubonana phinze probably.
Thanks
Kuma
for-
experience kaphana. Tahlangana khona.
Yeah. No, definitely I'll be there. And thank you for having me in your postcard. I'm so much grateful and really appreciate it, brother. I'm so humbled. I'm one of the people that you chose, to come here. And I don't take it light. I don't take it light. It's for me, from the deepest part of my heart, I'm saying thank you, for having me here. Because that shows me, you value what I do. You saw it important for me to share my story with you, and I appreciate it, man. Thank you, and thanks to your team. Sure, brother.
Guys,
Yeah.
shout out to Keto, shout out to
Yeah.
Segele, shout out to Biggie, shout out to MKC Corner, shout out to Iconic Studios of the Pinzas La Mbabane. We'll see you guys on next episode. Thank you.
Yebo mzala, yebo koko.
Yebo mzala, yebo koko.
Wonderful.